Jay from Jay's Multi-Channel, and today I'm working on a 2016 Dodge Colorado, and I had a pinhole leak in one of my oil cooler lines, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them today. And I didn't see a video with hands-on showing people how to get these hoses off without removing all of this fuse box and battery. I'm gonna do it hands-on. As you can see, I already got this one out. The easier one is attached to the oil filter housing. Just had to pull using this tool here to get that clip out. And then I'm on the other one. I just wanted to pause real quick so I can start recording to show you guys this. So as you can see it, right there is what I'm trying to get out. I actually went to get a better hook, but once that clip comes off, it's pretty much smooth sailing. It's not easy. Don't get me wrong, I think it's sweet, but I'm not taking all that other stuff out. Got it. So I might have bent that clip, but hopefully not, because I'm going to reuse it. But I should have tons of these things laying around. It's tight in there, y'all. Okay, let me go in this way and get it. I don't want to drop it because I know try not to drop it. It's real raw, y'all. Someone might say, let's take the thing off. I'm not taking that off. Got it. I'll pay that shipping cost. But I'm not taking all that stuff off. Sorry, guys. Alright, now, got that out. I should be able to just muscle this out. Oh, it's gonna leak, so get your little something down there to catch it. I got a little drip tray down there. Should have put a bucket, but the drip tray will work. And as you see here, I didn't even loosen the bottom ones yet. And I'm just working it on up. Look. And that's teaching you how you gonna go back. But this one, oh yeah, this one good. So come on up. Look. So now ready to put the other two back in. I ain't even bought them yet, but I'm gonna go get them. So you see, you don't have to take this off. You don't have to take this off. You don't have to take nothing off. Just do what I just did, and then I'm gonna go fold it right back down with the new one. So I'm gonna put the new ones in just like this, get them lined up, and I'm gonna bang, bang, bang backwards. Alright, but that's it. Jay's Multi-Channel, another video showing y'all how to do stuff without doing it the hard way. Peace.